company called C&L Rivet Company.
Welcome to C&L Rivet Company. My dad started this business back in 1960 in the basement of our house over in Horsham, Pennsylvania. This particular building here was built in 1947. Started making out brake lining rivets, which hold the brake pads on your automobiles. If you've ever used a fingernail clipper, the little rivet holds it together. Taking material, wire form, and at room temperatures and cold forging it into specific shapes. Done through a series of multiple dies, and our machines are capable of running anywhere up to 600 pieces a minute.
With cold forming, the wire gets pushed down into the cylinder, also known as the die, crammed into a mold forming a new shape, the rivet. With this process, there's no cutting and no waste.
I grew up always, taking my own bike apart or fixing my friend's bike. I like being here, and the more you learn and the more you can do, like you say, you can make anything.
My name is Keon. I'm a mechanical engineer here. The engineering side is a little bit different. I'm not getting my hands as dirty as these other guys, but I try to get out there as much as possible because the more I can learn over there, the better I can get on my side of things. Try to do some upfront work, design the tooling. Hopefully all the tooling comes in right, then we can go to the machine, test it out, see if everything's working well with the operators. I really love these programs. You can do anything on. I've made the part on here in 3D. You can draw whatever you want, which is pretty cool.
Alright, so should be.
Hi friends, I'm Pumpkin, the factory dog. I love my job here, walking around the factory floors and making my colleagues happy. C&L Rivet Company is the coolest place to work in the world.
Whoa! Thanks to C&L Rivet Company, we can have cool inventions, including planes, cars, helicopters, including Coast Guard rescue, motorcycles, components of cell towers, rockets, missiles that track down the Chinese spy balloon. And just in case anything goes up in the flames, their rivets are in fire extinguishers and sprinklers. OLGTV News signing out. Thanks for watching.